What's up guys? Just bought this JAWS clamp, flex clamp. I'm going to give it a try to try and help reduce wind noise when I'm filming videos. I'm going to mount it just on the handlebars, which is behind the windshield, which obviously should minimize or at least reduce the wind noise. So I'm going to unbox this and give it a shot. There's the clamp. And this is the flex thing, the flexi arm. Alright. And that bends. Okay, I thought it was maybe like metal wire, but it looks like it's just plastic. Okay. Ah, and that clips in there. So it's got the usual GoPro clip. There you go. And then the top part, put your camera in.
Okay, this is a quick video about routing the cable to the USB port, which on my Harley Fatboy is located just underneath and to the front of the gas tank. So basically you'll see I've routed it up through the fork, and then it comes up through there and then goes into the phone. I'm going to bring another one, a USB-C to USB-A. I'm bringing that, and I'm going to use that for my GoPro when I've got it mounted on the handlebars. So I've got the GoPro on my helmet. Let's hope this works and you can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. So I want to hang it here. Obviously leave a little bit of slack. Can't have any of the cables being too tight. So you'll see me going, hopefully you'll see me going under there. And we arrive up here, feed it up. It's a nice long cable, so I'm going to have to wind it around the handlebars a couple of times. But we want to have slack at both ends, can't have tight cables, never good. And we probably want to use a cable tie. So these two babies are together, and I got one in here somewhere. Where the hell is it? There it is. Put this U green cable tie. Now, boom, we got this one for the iPhone, and we got this one for the GoPro, and we're rocking now. I need to pull up more because that full of shit. And I need another cable tie down here, really. Alright, now I'm going to put this bad boy on here. Now you want to make sure that you're not going to hit anything, and that is bad. So in my opinion, I'm going to take this off and put the clasp the other way. And then I think we just mount. I want to put it underneath the clutch cable. We just mount that right there. And what we're hoping now, of course, is that the windshield still can go on. And my GoPro clasp is good. Here goes.